Attention to quarters. Ladies and gentlemen, good morning to graduation of class 13090. Generations after generation of American men and women have given special meaning to the title United States Sailor. These same men and women live by a set of enduring core values which form the bedrock of their character. Core values give sailors strength and regulate their behavior. They bond the Navy into a total force that can be met any challenge. Naval Air Technical Training Center opened in April 1995 provides training for all naval aviation mechanics and technical technicians through the instruction of more than 110 separate courses. Some 450 students a year graduate from this school and proudly serve their country at duty stations and on ships around the world. While enrolled here, sailors secure approximately 230 hours of instruction from their instructors. Today's Navy Aviation Ordnancemen maintain and support various types of aircraft. These aircraft include fixed, rotary, tilt rotor wing, and unmanned aerial system aircraft. In addition to, there are 3 different levels of ordnancemen: low level, high level, and sea level. Aviation ordnancemen can be found stationed on shore duty and afloat. Many quotes surface about ordnancemen, some like, "We are the arms of the fleet," "We drop foreheads on forehead," and "Without weapons, naval aviation is nothing more than an unscheduled airline." Still, to this day, the most standoffish quote is "IOTAS." First to be recognized is the schoolhouse leader. 2. AOAN Kate T. Horton, United States Navy. Letter of appreciation. I would like to express my appreciation for your outstanding performance as Aviation Ordnance Course Class A1 Schoolhouse Leader from October 2012 to January 2013. You were exceptionally selected over your peer group due to your exceptional leadership qualities to lead and organize the AO school body and student body. While leading the daily routine of approximately 151 Navy students, you provided a very strong and essential link to our students' chain of command. Your leadership qualities displayed in troop handling, military training discipline, and assisting the AO staff in maintaining class control were in keeping with the highest tradition of the United States Navy team. On our behalf of the Naval Air Technical Training Center, I wish to congratulate you, a job well done. Signed, Tyler R. Fryer, by direction. Next to be recognized is the class leader, AOAA William A. Sanchez, United States Navy. Letter of appreciation. I would like to express my appreciation for your outstanding performance of duties while attending the Aviation Ordnancemen Course Class 13090. You earned the respect of your classmates and the AO school staff by displaying superb leadership and professionalism. As class leader, you have shown the initiative, maturity, and cooperative spirit required to carry out the responsibilities of demanding assignments. Your dedication and traditional AO can-do spirit have contributed greatly to the success of the Naval Air Technical Training Center mission. Job well done. Signed, Tyler R. Fry, by direction. AOAA Amex Thomas. AOAR Sahar Fryer. AOAR Thomas Jones Jr. AOAR Weston L. Kunstler. AOAR August N. Kuykendall. AOAR Kyle N. Landfire. AA, Jamie R. Loving. AOAR, Ashley A. Powell. AOAR, Connor W. Price. AOAN, Kyle B. Richard. AOAR, Nathaniel D. Ropes. AOAR, Andrew D. Stevens. AOAR, Andreas Torres Ramirez. AOAR, Aaron C. Tran.
It's never going to end, all right? Like I told you guys in the beginning, everything that we're going to do is going to be as a family. You guys got a little start here. You're never going to be by yourselves. Everything that you're going to do as a team, you got to learn teamwork, right? Never going to end. Teamwork is going to be the rest of your ordinance career. If you're ever by yourself, then you already know you're messing up. All right? So take care of your brothers and sisters. Learn your job. Get complete. And do what we got to do. All right? You guys know why we do what we do now, right? What's the purpose of our job? Foreheads on foreheads, all right? Let's just make sure they're the right foreheads. Get out there, learn your job, and be the best that you can be. You guys got a great foundation here. You're starting to learn to read those manuals. Remember, you got to read those manuals. Read those manuals. You got questions, make sure you ask the question. Don't not ask the question and get somebody hurt.
I would like to thank the family for coming down for the graduation. It's an honor having you guys here witnessing the graduation for the class. Thank you for coming down. Again, congratulations to the class. We asked a lot of you guys this last couple of weeks, beginning from 4, the basic introduction of doing our job, and then we went to the bomb assembly, basically learned the second phase of the training. Okay, this is the basic intro within our field. You guys are going to basically learn more when you guys go to the ship, get your OJT, which is the on-job training. What I advise when you guys get there, okay, I've been in this you guys before. I was here before with, the same pipeline I went through. So it's nothing new, but what you guys got to remember is you're not alone. When you guys get there, grab a mentor. Okay, make sure that mentor sets some good examples to get you, both professional and personally, get you better as a sailor. And most of all, get you advanced within our rate. Okay? You guys gotta see that celebrate. Make sure you guys get there. Please do what is right. Okay, whatever we do within our field is always by the book, by the checklist. We do not cut corners. All right? We deal with a dangerous job once we go to the ship. And basically, we never do things alone. We always do things out of teamwork. What you guys are going to do there is basically the biggest thing that you do, building the bombs and basically breaking out the missiles out of the camp. And then when it's asked to go up to the flight deck to get loaded in the deck, it's a product that you guys produce, to the squadron when they get delivered to the bad guy. So start from you guys, starts from one. Okay, we hope that we gave you guys the best knowledge as far as, the weighting. And then we hope that we got everything that you guys wanted from us. And then please, if there's anything we can do before you guys even leave your company, please seek that guidance. Okay, I wish you guys the best of luck in the fleet. And then I know if we see you guys in the future, probably, we're not going to carry it. Okay, good luck, and I thank you for, for the things you guys done here. Okay?
Class 090, attention, about face. If you're